What up, y'all? It's Monday morning. Yes, it is. It's after midnight out here in the East. That is true and correct. This is C4CW. I am One Sir Grove. Thank you for motherfucking tuning in. If, in fact, you are a true fucking fan. So, let's just get to it, unlike motherfuckers who don't get to the point. This lawsuit on part of the Trump administration is fucking wise. It is, because they need to sue the fuck out of those motherfuckers that are making up stories about the Trump administration. Also, this incessant fake story about an impeachment inquiry, I don't know if y'all are following. I'm guessing if you're conservative Republican, you're 100, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I know. For those of y'all who don't know, there is no impeachment and there will never be. The media are like Westworld fucking android robots. They're on some type of like autopilot, like bobblehead mode, like impeachment, impeachment, bobblehead, impeachment, inquiry. Because it's a fucking question about, do they even have the majority votes to even ask a question about something that doesn't fucking exist? Fuck them. Their shit is petty. Their shit is worthless. And anybody who fucking plays along with it is in for a real treat. Donald Trump wins 2020. Now, let me repeat that so that it's clear for any and everybody in the motherfucking world. There is no real impeachment, and there will never be one. Ever. Period. Now, moving beyond the period, because maybe some people are unclear at this point about what it is that I'm stating. Nancy Pelosi is stupid as fuck. She has made up some shit that the liberal left media has run with. She is outnumbered in terms of people who actually know the true, deeper truth reality, which is that the shit she's talking about is fraud. She doesn't have any type of fucking impeachment power shit. Period. It's all fluff. It's all bluff. It's all made up. It's all fucking stupid. And so when I listen to the media, when I listen to these fucking stupid left-wingers, these left-leaning fuckery stations, they talk about it as if it's real. It's not. Yeah, it's about as real as Westworld, motherfuckers. Yeah, there's no such thing, okay? An inquiry is a question. And she doesn't even have that shit down pat. There will never be an impeachment of Donald Trump. He didn't do anything inappropriate. He didn't do anything fucking wrong. He's been transparent. I should be his spokesperson. I should be a highly paid spokesperson for Donald Trump. Because this is what I would tell the Washington Post. I'd be like, yo, fuck you. Suck a dick, eat shit, fuck off, and die, motherfuckers. Politically die in darkness. Okay? That's what I would tell the Washington Post. Here's what I would tell the New York Times. Suck a dick, eat shit, fuck you, die, motherfuckers, politically. Die politically. I'm not talking about actual death. I'm talking about political fucking downfall. Go the fuck away. GTFO. The president did nothing inappropriate. You know what I hate about this fucking stupid system? These lawyers have to talk all lawyerly. Oh, Donald Trump, you know. No, hey, listen. I respect Rudy Giuliani. He's a fucking G in my book. He's a G. But what I'm talking about is he can't come out like I can and just be like, oh, yeah, you said some shit about Donald Trump that's not for real? Fuck you. Yeah, so I do this of my own will and volition. No one put me up to this. No one, put it to me and was like, bro, you better say this shit on behalf of Donald Trump. You know that shit is ludicrous. No one fucking made me say what I'm saying. Have you ever heard me support some leftist shit? Have you ever heard one Sir Grove of EVT in England, the rap artist, entrepreneur, rap mogul? Have you ever 495? Have you ever fucking affiliated with L4? Have you ever, even though some of my friends are liberal and I love my homeboys and homegirls and they have a right to their own opinions, have you ever motherfucking heard me support some left shit? Fuck no! Nah, man, I'm not on the left bandwagon. Yeah, I'm from Washington State. Yeah, I'm from the Puget Sound. Yeah, a lot of my friends from childhood are left-wingers, and that's their right. And I'm not fucking a left-winger. Yeah, man, I'm fucking not. Cause that shit is stupid. Yeah, man. Hashtag fuck all that noise. Come on, man. I never support left shit. Ever. Never. And I'm not part of that groupthink beehive mind shit. The fucking Borg. You already know how shit turns out with the Borg. It doesn't turn out well. Star Trek, watch it. Deep Space motherfucking Nine. So yo, Pete Gang and the Next Generation. So yo, check this out, man. Here's my fucking point. Fuck Nancy Pelosi. Fuck James Comey. Fuck Robert Mueller playing fucking senile, fake ass motherfucker. Fuck him. Fuck Andrew McCabe. Fuck Edward Snowden. Fuck Chelsea Manning. Yeah. Fuck Jeremiah Wright. Fuck Barack Hussein. Yeah. Fuck Eric Porter. Both of them. The one who killed, Eric Holder. Holder is what the fuck. I don't even know who the fuck Eric Porter is. Any fucking who. Yeah. Fuck Eric Holder. Fuck all of those people, man. Dianne Feinstein. Franken fucking Feinstein. Fuck Al Sharpton. Fuck Lois Farrakhan. Fuck them all, man. Yeah. And fuck Jimmy Carter, too. Yeah. And you know what? The late John McCain, fuck him, too. You know why? Because, man, he's a fucking traitor to the Republican Party. I don't care about his military service. You know why? Just like I don't care about Chelsea Manning's military service or Edward Snowden's military service. Fucking traitors. When you're a fucking traitor, man, fuck you, man. When you seek to undermine my country, our country, America, fuck you, man. Yeah, dirty feds. Just like the dirty Bloods that snitched on Tekashi. Fucking dirty Bloods. And I'm from a Bloods gang. And I know good Bloods. I'm talking about dirty fucking Bloods who snitched on Tekashi 6ix9ine. Yeah, fuck them and fuck dirty feds. I'm not talking about good feds, like the feds I've worked with in intelligence operations. I'm talking about dirty fucking feds, like fucking Robert Mueller, pretending like he's senile, fucking playing like he's got dementia, fucking punk, lying ass fucking J. Edgar Hoover, wannabe motherfucker. Man, fuck him and J. Edgar Hoover. And James Comey, and McCabe, and Strzok, and Page. Fuck them all.